Hello, I'm Deb.
And I'm Andy.
And this is house 2. We call this one Unearthed. Come on in, guys. Come and have a look around. So we come into the brand new part of the house.
This is my favourite room.
So this is the old part of the house. We have some bedrooms up this way, the study over here, new sitting room, and from here on,
Exciting.
it's all new.
Brand spanker.
So we've gone really high with the ceilings. I think they're about 17 metres high.
I thought they were about 100 metres high.
So this area is the mezzanine level, and underneath here is the kitchen. We had to add this in because we had some structural engineering issues that came up, but as it turns out, it was a really great addition to the house, and it's given another extra seating area with views over here to this brand new extension.
I feel like a king and a queen up here. Get me a drink!
So we come into the brand new part of the house. This whole extension, which has the dining, living, we've got a sitting room over here.
This is my favourite room.
We did some custom shelving, and this room, I really love this room.
It feels so relaxing.
It
I don't
does.
want to leave it.
Yeah, it has a great feeling.
But we're going to have
Come
to.
over into the
We're
kitchen.
going to go over here.
So in the kitchen, I really love that we've got the greige joinery, and we've got all of the brushed brass in here, which ties in so well with this beautiful gold veining in the stone.
Yeah.
It all works really well together. It just subtly ties everything in. From the new extension, we come into what was the old part of the house, and it's got the butler's pantry in it. So there's a
butler's pantry.
great butler's pantry, and it flows really well off the kitchen. We've used all the same finishes throughout, so it's really cohesive.
I see you've used the same bench top as
Yeah,
we
we've
have
used
in
the
the kitchen.
same. Yeah,
That's amazing. I love
you
it.
already knew that.
Yeah.
The laundry is nice and spacious. It's a really big space.
Yeah.
And we've used, again, the handmade tile around here. We've put some different pendants and added an artwork to bring all that colour in as well.
So follow us.
Into the main suite, which is so spacious.
This is like a mini Kmart.
We have literally built this from the earth out because this part of the house is built into the land. So we had to open it all up and let the light in, didn't we, Andy?
That we did, and look at it come in. It's just flowing in.
Come on into the stunning ensuite, guys. We have made some choices here. We've kept the palette quite neutral and soft looking. It is really hard to make a space full of hard surfaces look soft, but some of the choices here have helped us to do this. We've gone for the brushed brass again, this gorgeous pixie tap, which has a tile insert. So this handmade tile on the wall is in the tap as well. Ties everything together really perfectly.
I love how you've ran the floor tiles up the back of the bathtub.
Yeah, it elongates the eye. It takes your eye through to the back wall and that bathtub and the tapware.
Man, this is a proper ensuite. This is more than an ensuite, it's an experience.
Outdoor area. So what we did here, we kept the original pool as it was, but we've updated everything around it. So all of the tiling is new. The deck behind us, that's all new too. Created such a great big space, and it links back to this part of the house, which has the outdoor kitchen. So it's really functional out here now and beautiful too.
Also gives you more space around the pool where you can mingle, party, you know, sunbake, maybe run and do a jump in the pool and do a bomb or a manu, you know. Everyone loves that.
It was a really large project, and there were times when it just felt like, you know, it was never going to end and it was never going to happen, but I'm really proud of how it's all come together, and we worked really well with the team here. We had great input from Michelle, the homeowner, as well, so I'm really proud of how we all worked together, and you know, I think it speaks for itself that it's a really lovely space that we've created.